The BP Castrol plant in Cornaredo, Italy, located at the base of the Italian Alps just outside Milan, produces oil and lubricants specifically for high-performance racing cars and sports motorcycles. The Cornaredo plant produces a variety of lubricants as well as 2- and 4-stroke oils for different kinds of racing cars and motorcycles, which it distributes throughout Europe, North and South America, and Japan. To meet the ever-increasing demand for its specialty oils and lubricants, BP Castrol decided to implement a comprehensive production and performance management solution from Wonderware, a business unit of Invensis.
This plant started with very small production from the past. We were producing only 10 million liters per year. Then the market increased and we were facing the problem to recover productivity, increasing the volumes. So this the needs to go through a new system able to support our growth. And up to date, we are able with this new system to supply almost 40 million liters with mainly the same people of some years ago. And this was the main advantage of this process implementation.
The solution was delivered through Beta 80 Group, Wonderware's distribution and integration partner in Italy.
Da questo lavoro con BP Italia e con altri clienti ci rendiamo conto.
Through this work with BP and other clients, we have realized that for efficient solutions, Wonderware's production and performance management solutions have been a winning choice for us as a group. We are hoping to be able to offer it to other clients in the future through Wonderware.
All oil products start with the same basic ingredient, raw oil. This oil arrives at the plant by truck and is then mixed with a blend of chemical additives. These additives control all the aspects that make BP Castrol's oil unique and able to meet the particular needs of high-performance engines. They control viscosity. They help prevent it from breaking down when exposed to the incredibly hostile environment inside an engine at high RPMs. They even make the oil more environmentally friendly. The Cornaredo plant produces a variety of lubricants and 20 different base oils to meet the requirements of different types of engines. Each oil or lubricant has its own recipe. Some recipes demand up to 7 different additives, which are added at varying points in the blending process. They also must be maintained at different temperatures. The blend is then heated in tanks until it reaches the mixture quality called for in the particular recipe. Colorants are then added and a sample is drawn and tested to ensure batch quality. This is done primarily to make sure the pipes and tanks were all thoroughly and properly cleaned between batches, avoiding cross-contamination from one type of oil to another. Finally, the batch is transferred to the filling lines, where it is packaged and readied for shipping.
The
Wonderware solution allows us to optimize a process that has many aspects that can be managed. Using the Wonderware process, we have succeeded in optimizing the largest part of this process. May I give you an example of this? We generally run a production process of 19,000 kilos. The Wonderware process allows us to automatically start a new recipe or a new mixture during the mixing, transfer, packaging, or the storage phase. This allows us to really optimize production and bring plant stoppages down to zero.
Wonderware's production and performance management solution comprises a portfolio of fully integrated applications that enable highly efficient manufacturing operations and information management. These applications cover a wide range of critical functionalities, including batching, tracking, monitoring, downtime, quality, and integration to business systems. Of particular importance to BP Castrol is Wonderware's in-batch Premier flexible batch management software. It provides numerous tangible performance and efficiency benefits, including increased production and improved product quality. In-batch software also automates all elements of batch management, including batch execution, security, web-based reporting, and the collection of information pertaining to equipment history and material genealogy. In-batch software also meets stringent international regulatory standards, such as the ISA S88 Flexible Batch Standard and FDA 21 CFR Part 11. In addition, Wonderware's in-batch software automates production processes and enforces strict adherence to recipes. All the recipes that are so critical to the blending process and the management of additives are maintained. The software also ensures that the right steps are taken in the right order for consistent product quality from one batch to the next. Moreover, in-batch software simplifies the process of changing from one recipe to the next, reducing the amount of time it takes to get back up to full production after a change. In essence, BP Castrol relies on Wonderware's in-batch software to manage all aspects of mixing and blending, from the time the base oil is poured into the blending tanks to the process of flushing and cleaning the tanks and pipes between batches.
In comparison with the other system we used before, the Wonderware in-batch solution makes it much easier for me. I can manage other things. I have more free time, more security, many things that we did not have before. I am happy with this solution and with in-batch.
As part of the Wonderware production and performance management solution, BP Castrol also deployed Wonderware's InTouch HMI software and InControl real-time control software. The InTouch HMI enables users to visualize critical operational data, which plant personnel can use to control industrial processes. Meanwhile, the InControl software ties it all together. The InControl software also provides integrated control and scripting that replaces proprietary control systems with an open system based on the Microsoft Windows NT operating system. This enables cost-effective, integrated connectivity, powerful processing capabilities, and easy expandability.
With the new Wonderware in-batch system, we have been able to improve production as we can produce one mix while we are transferring another. With the old system, it was not possible to do this because we had to completely finish the mix and the transfer first before we were able to begin another. Now with the new Wonderware in-batch system, as we are transferring a 19-ton mix, we can start another 7-ton mix, or we can start to pump the additives to produce another 19-ton mix. So in this way, we have an improvement to the system, as we have cut in half the production and transfer time, and therefore the packaging time as well. And we have had a noticeable improvement in production.
The Wonderware production and performance management solution has been rolled out in the mixing area of the Cornaredo plant and will soon include the filling and packaging areas as well. According to Giuseppe Fracchia, the Cornaredo plant's long-term goal is to have all areas of the plant controlled by the same system. He credits the Wonderware production and performance management solution for increasing production from 10 million liters to almost 40 million liters per year and sees great potential for the other parts of the plant. Fracchia also credits the new solution with numerous benefits that go beyond the initial goal of optimizing the plant. The new system has improved product quality, process reliability, ease of use, and plant safety. Making smooth products like BP's Castrol oil and lubricants for racing cars and motorcycles requires high-powered production capabilities. And that's just what the Cornaredo plant got when it implemented Wonderware's production and performance management solution. Wonderware gave BP Castrol just what it needed to rev up production.